Today we're diving into how a West LA computer expert, Daniel Zivitz, completely transforms an outdated website into a modern, editable WordPress masterpiece.
Yep, right. And it's really impressive how he turns a dated website into something uniquely custom, not just another cookie cutter template, correct?
Exactly. It's like you get to know exactly what's slowing you down or driving visitors away before you even spend a dollar.
Mm-hmm. That's a game changer, especially if you think about the risk of wasting time and money on a design that doesn't work, isn't it?
Totally. And then every pixel of the redesign is previewed and approved by you before any line of code is even written. No surprises, no surprises.
Right. I appreciate that level of control. It's like you're co creating the design, ensuring it stays uniquely yours.
Yeah, and not only that, but there's a serious emphasis on performance, faster load times, better SEO, and full compliance with modern accessibility standards.
Absolutely. Speaking of performance, did you catch the part about preserving search rankings while boosting future visibility? That's something every business needs.
Right. It's crucial. The idea is to maintain what was good before while, enhancing it to attract more traffic.
Yep, and switching to a modern tech stack is key here. Daniel's approach allows you or your team to drag and drop edit headlines, colors, images, all without having to touch any code.
Exactly. And that means your in-house team can be self-sufficient from day one, which provides some real peace of mind so you're not stuck with back-end complications.
Definitely. Now let's break down that process a bit. The service is clearly divided into phases, right? Can you run through those?
Sure, it starts off with a free site audit. In this phase, Daniel conducts a performance scan which checks speed, SEO, mobile readiness, basically diagnosing what might be slowing you down or messing with your user
Right,
experience.
right. That initial analysis is so valuable because you want to know what exactly needs fixing before diving in, huh?
Exactly. Then comes the Goal and Brand Workshop, a 45-minute strategy session where you define your audiences, conversion goals, voice, and color palette, alongside branding consistency.
So it's not just about technical improvements, it's a full brand overhaul.
Yeah, and then he moves on to Figma prototypes. This step involves creating interactive mockups for both desktop and mobile that include layouts like the hero section, call to action hierarchy, and even product grids. It's like setting the stage.
Absolutely. Sounds like a very hands on process with a heavy emphasis on user experience.
For sure. Then, after the design phase, there's the code clean rebuild. This isn't your run of the mill coding job. We're talking semantic HTML5, SCSS, and vanilla JS, or even React if needed. Plus, it's 100% responsive using modern techniques like Flexbox and CSS Grid, and it's compliant with WCAG 2.2 AA accessibility standards.
Yeah. That approach really stands out to me because it mixes modern design with solid, clean code, ensuring the site is both beautiful and efficient.
Exactly. And then comes the WordPress conversion. Daniel builds a custom theme, either using underscores or a block theme, and exposes every section as Elementor or Gutenberg blocks. This allows you to use drag and drop editing
Yep,
without the
that makes a big
hassle of
difference.
coding.
And that means if you want to update the site later, you just go in and change things visually, kind of like updating a PowerPoint slide, right?
Yeah, that's a great analogy. It's like having instant access to your own set of design tools that are both intuitive and
Right.
powerful.
After that, he handles content migration and SEO. Bulk importing existing pages and posts keeps your current URL structure intact and ensures that your search rankings are preserved, which is critical for continuing visibility.
Yes, preserving those 301 redirects is a key part of the process, all while setting up things like Yoast or Rank Math with structured schema tags to boost your SEO further.
Right, absolutely. And he doesn't stop there. There's a phase for speed hardening, SSL, HTTP2, Brotli compression, and lazy loading images, which means your site not only looks good, but loads like a dream.
Exactly, and with WP security best practices and nightly backups, It's like a full-on health check for your website.
Yes. Then, if needed, there's a training component, a 1 hour live tutorial with a recording to get you or your team up and running on how to keep the site updated.
Right, so you're not just left with a rebuilt site, you're handed complete control and know-how to manage it moving forward.
Yeah, invaluable indeed. And all of this is backed by, this rock solid tech stack. There's Elementor Pro or native Gutenberg patterns depending on your preference, ACF for custom field editing, and even options like Stripe or PayPal if you're looking to sell art, services, or bookings.
Exactly, it really covers all bases. Plus, they've integrated tools like Smush and Perf Matters for image compression and asset deferring, and Cloudflare DNS plus CDN for global speed and DDoS protection.
Right. So it's not just about the design, but ensuring that the site is secure, lightning fast, and always accessible.
Right, and that's so important now with the rising threats online and the ever-increasing need for flawless user experiences.
Yes, exactly. And let's not forget the compelling reason to choose Daniel Zivets in the first place. Full stack expertise with over 20 years of experience, local West LA presence, which means in person collaboration, and transparent pricing with a flat rate project bid.
That level of expertise instills a lot of trust. Plus, when the client keeps all the code, design files, and accounts, it really feels like you own your digital future.
Absolutely, that's a major plus. I have to respectfully challenge one point though. While the flat rate pricing sounds great, doesn't it sometimes risk underestimating the complexity of a project? Maybe a fixed bid might not cover unforeseen challenges?
That's a valid concern, but in Daniel's case, he seems to have a refined process through his detailed phases. Each stage is clearly outlined, which likely helps in managing the scope and expectations up front.
Right, that makes sense. It sounds like his method really minimizes surprises by having robust planning and audits before diving into full development.
Exactly, it's all about preserving clarity and control right from the start. And that really translates into peace of mind for businesses so they can focus on what they do best without worrying about back end issues.
Exactly. In the end, it's about modernizing, securing, and enhancing the website without losing its unique identity. That's pretty powerful in today's digital age.
Absolutely. And with such a comprehensive process, from initial audit to final handover, the transformation is truly remarkable. All the while making sure that you remain the master of your own content and
Indeed,
digital
absolutely.
presence.
Well, this approach certainly raises the bar for website redesign services. I think many businesses out there would love to have that level of assurance that they're not just getting a facelift, but a robust, future ready digital asset.
Right. It's like turning a tired old engine into a finely tuned sports car. You get speed, reliability, and a look that truly stands out.
Exactly. I love that analogy. It's clear that Daniel's work is about empowering you to reclaim control over your online presence, secure it, and ensure it performs at its best.
Absolutely. And with that, we can wrap up by saying that the blend of technical design and strategic elements in his process is what truly sets it apart.
Right, definitely. It's been a fascinating deep dive into how an expert can truly transform a website while keeping everything under the client's complete control.
Yep, thanks for the great discussion. And remember, your website deserves not just a makeover, but a complete transformation that works for you.
Absolutely.